Hey guys, welcome to the back office basics training video. This will be a short video detailing how to log into your back office and help you understand some of the key areas you need to know about with your HBM business. We always encourage you to log into your back office frequently and visit every single section to help you understand how to navigate your back office. Now to log in, you simply go here. You enter your user ID number in the first box under HBM Back Office Login. Then you enter your password in the second box and then select Login, and that will take you to your back office, which is your home page, your landing page, your back office. So what you're going to see is when you're logged in at the top upper right corner, you will see your name and your user ID number. It will have the date you've logged in. And the four boxes at the top of the screen represent my PEMs, means my personally enrolled members. So those are the members that you have personally enrolled. If you want to see all of those members, simply select view all, and that will take you to another screen where you can see the details of the people you enrolled. Last 30 days will show the number of personally enrolled members you've signed up within the last 30 days. Once again, if you want to see those members, select view all. Okay, now total members, this represents the total members that have joined since you signed up with Heart and Mind Naturals. This is not all of your personal enrolled members. These are all of the members that join the company after you set your position up. Commission balance simply shows your commissions that you earn from retail commissions, wholesale commissions, star bonuses, matrix pay, binary pay, binary matching pay, and lifestyle bonuses. The commission balance shows here. If you want to see the details, simply select view details, and it will open up and take you to a different page where you can see the details for each of the commissions. The paid ask rank under your business will show the rank you're currently paid at, whether you're executive or wholesale customer or gold, silver. That shows your rank that you're paid at. Highest earned rank will show the highest rank you've reached with the company. That's really good. Now, number of team cycles this month, this represents the number of binary bonuses received in a calendar month. The number of team cycles last month will show the number of binary bonuses you received last month. PSV last 30 days simply means personal sales volume last 30 days. This is a combination of any retail sales you may have obtained and your personal purchases over the last 30 days. Remember, to remain active, you need a minimum of 25 personal sales volume every 30 days. Matrix qualification for the last 30 days, that shows there. Your personal volume last month, these are your purchases, will show here. Personal volume this month shows on this line. This month, PGV left leg. This month, PGV right leg will show here. Last month's PGV left leg and last month PGV right leg show there, so you can see what progress you're making. Then they also show this month commissions earned, so you can track your commissions, how much you've earned total for the current month. And then you see last month commissions earned, so you can see what you earned last month. And the goal is to earn more money month over month. Placement hold enable, you will see yes or no if your holding tank is turned on. We'll cover that later. Waiting in placement hold, if there are people sitting in your holding tank, you will see a number there. If it's 0, there's no one there. Okay. Personal wholesale customer members, these are people who you signed up through your wholesale website link, so that number shows there. Personal retail customers, these are people that have gone to your retail site and purchased products. And then this also shows your personal active platinums. And the key to ranking up with the company is to create platinums that will help you reach higher ranks with the company. So this is your back office, and this is what it looks like when you log in. And there's customer support. There's created a support chat ticket. I'll cover that at the end. And then there's hyperlinks to each of the groups on Facebook, the testimonials group where you want to join and invite any person who's interested in the product to join that group. And then there's the Facebook consultant and training group. This is only for people who are wholesale members that set up their free accounts. Okay, next slide. We're going to teach you how to purchase products because this is the first step to getting active. You want to purchase products. So I circled purchase products. So you select this item here, purchase products. This is going to take you to this screen, and you select from the drop-down menu the country you live in. Okay, I live in the United States, so I would select United States. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the wholesale shopping page. At the top, it's going to show your name and ID number if you're logged in to your account. Now, it will have the categories of products. You simply select the picture, and it's going to take you to the appropriate products for the categories you're interested in making your purchase in. And for the sake of time, we're not going to walk through the purchase process, but you would go to the categories you're interested in, select the quantity of products you want, put them in your shopping cart, and you complete your purchase. Okay. Now we're going to go back to the back office. You want to go to account because here is where you're going to make sure your holding tank is turned on. That's very important. You want your holding tank turned on so that you can control where you place people in your binary, left leg or right leg, okay? So once you go to the personal information section, scroll down past the password section, make sure enable enrollment placement hold is checked. You want to make sure that box is checked. Matter of fact, you want all 4 of these boxes checked. If you have Facebook, you want to enter your Facebook username here because there is a website that links your HBN page to Facebook, and people can click that and go to your Facebook profile. And once you make sure all these boxes are checked, enter your Facebook user ID information, select save, okay, so that the information will save, and you're good to go as far as making sure your holding tank is turned on. Now we're going to show you how emptying your holding tank goes. So we're back on the home page under My Team. You're going to see placement hold if you have people sitting there that you signed up through one of your wholesale websites. They will go into placement hold. And so you will select placement hold. You'll be at this screen. It's going to look like this. You'll see your sponsor ID. Placement ID is going to be blank. You're going to see the ID number for the person that joined. You'll see their name and you'll see their email address. And if they have a phone number, you will see their phone number. And what you want to do to place them in your binary is select update placement. Once you select update placement, under update placement 4, it's going to be the person you're placing's name showing here. I blew this out for privacy purposes because this is a training video. And then you're going to go to placement ID and you're going to type where you want this person to place. If you want to place them in your binary, you're going to enter your HBN ID number. If you want to place them in another team member's binary, you will place their ID number. And for an explanation on why you would want to place a new member under someone else, please get back with your sponsor and they can explain that to you. Now, you also have the option of giving up the sponsorship and not keeping that person if you want to help someone's business grow. So you can type someone else's ID number here, but typically you will leave the sponsor ID number as is, and it will be yours, and your name will be here, okay? And once you've updated placement ID, make sure sponsor ID is correct, you're going to select left or right. I never select auto. I like to control where people are placed in my binary based upon the volume in my left leg or my right leg. So you select left or right. Once you do that, you select update. Okay, then once you select update, okay, I'm walking you through what it looks like. So right here, we put an ID number here. There's a sponsor ID there, the name. We selected left for our left leg in the binary. Update was selected. And this is where the screen takes you to once you do this. So it's going to show sponsor ID filled in, placement ID is filled in. They're going to go to the left leg and the other information didn't change. And it may take the system a few minutes to refresh before the person is moved from your holding tank to your left leg in the binary or right leg in the binary, depending on where you selected them, okay? So that's how you use the placement hold or update the placement hold section. Now, these are your websites. So you're wondering, well, how do I get people to sign up, or which websites do I send people to? The company provides you with 5 wholesale website links and 1 retail link. So if someone goes to your wholesale website link and they place an order, or they're interested in the business opportunity or anything, if they enter their information through one of these 5 websites, they're going to go into your holding tank. If they make a retail purchase, that's simply a retail customer, okay? So these are your websites, and the user ID name or your name is at the end after the /. Now, since you know how to empty your holding tank, you know where to send people to enroll. They made a purchase, you've earned commissions. So now you want to learn how to withdraw your funds. You simply go back to your home screen. Under business, you're going to select withdraw funds. That's going to take you to this screen. And this is a screen, 2 separate screenshots for demonstration purposes. But the screen at the top is going to have your available balance. You need a minimum of $10 to make the withdrawal. So what you do is you enter how much you want to withdraw in request amount, and then you want to go to the payment method and you select Pay Quicker, Venmo, or Apple Pay to complete your withdrawal request. Once that's done, you select Request Funds. And that's it, okay? And what happens when you request your funds, if you have not set up a Pay Quicker account, if that's the route you go, once the money hits Pay Quicker will send you an email to set your Pay Quicker account up. If you already have a Pay Quicker account, once the money hits Pay Quicker, you will receive an email from Pay Quicker to complete the remainder of your withdrawals. You can either transfer it to your bank or transfer it to your Visa debit card that's provided by the company. Now, this screen right here is showing you how to contact customer support. In the back office, in the lower right corner, you will see an icon that looks like this, a little square with a smile. You simply select that button, and this will open the screen to the right, and you scroll down to where it says send us a message, and that's where you can send any message that's pertinent to customer support, and they will respond accordingly. Also, if you need assistance, you can go here for search for help, or go to hbnhelp.com, and you can find information for any questions you may have. So though this is the quick back office basics training video, please share this with your new team members. Watch this video several times. You can pause the video and go through the sections in the back office, but this is a tool and a resource to help you understand how to navigate your back office. But the key is to go into your back office daily and visit every single section, because there's more than what was shared in this video. So thank you guys for watching. Pass this video on, and you guys have a great day.